people, if I don't tell, then they hold like this. So they, yeah, so I see the moon and the moon sees me. The moon sees the one that I long to see. God bless the moon and God bless me. So make sure that Charmaine, your index is wrong. Your index is not wrong. The placement of the index is wrong. Yeah. You know why? Because usually, the way we put the fingering, index as a first finger is to take care of the first fret. Second fret with second finger, third fret, and then fourth fret. Yeah, as much as possible we maintain this. 1, 2, 3. C, A, 7. Yeah, then we stop there. Okay, one more time. Hi, welcome to our class. Okay, one more time, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, A, 7. Now sounds better. Now you feel it's actually the movement is not so difficult. Like you know, satay seller, they use the wrist. Yeah, it's going to be easier. Like that, yes. 1, 2, 3. I see the moon and the moon sees me. The moon sees the world.